Hello, everyone. If you are hearing my voice, that means I have managed to transcend your normal reality and I have now become part of the digital world, the omniscient inside your computer that can see all and hear all. In reality, I'm just recording this right now so you guys have an idea of what I kind of talked about in class. And like I said, I will give you a video kind of walk through to kind of touch on any points that I potentially might have missed or that you might not have heard because you were doing something that you weren't supposed to be doing instead of listening to me. Either way, here we go. So again, as I've stated, from the 4th of October, which is this Wednesday, through the 10th of October, which is next Tuesday, I will be out of town. So therefore, our English class has now converted to a short online class. This video is going to kind of walk you through my expectations for the next 3 classes. And as long as you kind of get everything completed by 11:59, October 10th, you should be okay. Remember, you have the opportunity to complete these assignments at your leisure, so make sure you just give yourself adequate time to work on them and to read the instructions carefully so you know what to do. First and foremost, under the individual writing section, you guys have the forum for Under the Influence of Music. As always, if you click on the link, you can copy and paste the questions here, or you can download the assignment sheet over here as well if you choose to do so. There is also an article that goes along with this titled Under the Influence of Music. Please make sure that you do read it so that you can respond to question 2 here. Again, with these questions, make sure that you respond thoroughly, provide any information that is being asked of you. So like for question 3, finding song lyrics that help support your particular genre. Do they challenge the particular genre? Do they misconstrue the genre? Do they make it appear in a negative light? Make sure that you answer accordingly. Once you are done, please create a blog entry. As always, you can copy and paste the content or attach it as a file. If you decide to attach it as a file, please make sure that you attach it as a file that I can open. If it is a Pages file from Apple, make sure that you convert it to a Word document so that I can see it. Secondly, you have a reading and response, the 5 characteristic features. You will need the book in order to complete this particular assignment, so respond to the reflection on the bottom of page 224. On page 224, there is a reading, but you do not have to do the reading. You simply have to respond to the reflection, and it will ask you to find an article. But as I said in class, I've expanded that from an article to a cultural artifact. So whether this is a video, a speech, a discussion, a topic of your choice, that is what you will reflect on. You will post your completed assignment to the 5 characteristic features here under the discussion forum. Please create an entry and simply attach it as a file or copy and paste it, much like you did with the individual writing section. And then last but not least, as I stated in class, with the Writing to Explore assignment, you guys had the option of either the traditional essay or the Prezi/PowerPoint. For this analysis assignment, you will have the option of your traditional essay or a Weebly website. If you decide to do the Weebly website for this major assignment, this is your opportunity to get an idea of how this works. Similar to Prezi, if you go to Weebly.com, you can sign up to create your free website. Once you do so, it will allow you to work with a few templates, tinker with a few things, and get your feet wet with the Weebly forum. If you need an introduction tutorial, please watch this YouTube video. If you need a student example, please see the student example in regards to time management. Once you have completed your particular website, you will need to have at least 3 pages. The first page is an introductory page. The second page observes your analysis, which is either going to be the genre of music you picked for Under the Influence of Music response, or the topic of interest that you chose for the 5 characteristic features. So you should have an introductory page, an analytical page that looks at the positives or negatives of the particular discussion, and then a works cited page or an additional page of reference for the audience. Once you are done with that, please make sure you share the file and you email it to me, I should be able to access the page that you've completed so that I can grade it accordingly. Again, like I said, all of these assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. October 10th. You can either email me all 3 assignments or you can post these 2 respective assignments to their respective areas on Blackboard. However, the Weebly site needs to be shared and emailed to me. You can work at these things on your leisure. It is up to you. If you have questions, please make sure to email me. But again, keep in mind, the next time we will meet as a regular class will be on Wednesday, October 11th. So that is when we will meet again. From now until then, you guys have this online class forum. Make sure to stay on top of things, stay in front of things, work on them regularly, get them out of the way early, and then you don't have to worry about them later. But between these 3 assignments, you're looking at 45 points right there. So you want to make sure that you do get these assignments completed. Stay vigilant, stay on top of things, stay organized, and keep on working, keep up the good work.